Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Debbie. I'm a fashion and beauty editor and I post weekly videos in English and Spanish with everything about beauty and skincare with an anti-aging focus. So if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I will highly appreciate if you'll consider subscribing. You can also follow me over Instagram where I often do live discussing into more depth different skincare topics and answer questions. As well, you can visit my website, deborahsulka.com for much more on anti-aging self-care. All the links to my social media accounts will be in the description box. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I double cleanse my skin and why you should be doing it too. Double cleansing is a method that became extremely popular thanks to the Korean multiple steps skincare routine. And that's exactly what it is. It is a 2-step cleansing process where you're going to be using as a first product an oil-based cleanser to kind of just like lift and break down all that makeup, sunscreen, and grime off your face, to later on apply a water-soluble cleanser to eliminate any type of residue, thoroughly cleansing the skin, soothe it, and of course target some specific skincare needs. Many people ask me if I need to cleanse my skin twice, even if I'm not wearing makeup. And my answer to that is yes, unless that you suffer from conditions such as rosacea or eczema and you have those really sensitive skin types that are not really recommended to overdo the process of cleansing the skin, then you should definitely be double cleansing your skin. And the reason why is because even if you're not wearing makeup, I do hope that you're wearing your sunscreen during the day. And these are kind of like fake heavy formulations that tend to clog the pores. So it is always good to just get rid of all of that and make sure that there's no residues of it resting on your skin. As well, don't forget other environmental factors such as pollution, and you'll be surprised to see how much of that dirt and gunk gets stuck on your face. So it is essential to make sure that your skin is properly cleansed to avoid any breakouts, and it also helps out your other skincare products to penetrate deeper on your skin and be more effective. The aim of a double cleanse is to get your skin squeaky clean without stripping it or being harsh on it. What products can I use for a double cleanse? And you can use a variety of products. You can use from micellar waters to cleansing balms to face oils. And of course, you need to have a water-soluble cleanser. You can use a cream, a lotion, gel cleanser, or even a foaming cleanser. The most important here is to have those two factors, to have an oil-based and a water-soluble cleanser interacting to make sure that all that debris gets out of your pores. Can we double cleanse with a regular oil? And I know that many people love to use coconut oil or olive oil to get rid of their makeup. But the truth is that using any oils that aren't specifically formulated to be emulsified and rinsed off with water are going to leave sort of like a foam sitting on the top of your skin that's going to be difficult to remove. So you will need to use a less gentle product or more of your regular cleanser, and this can lead to potentially over drying and irritating the skin. It's double cleanse for oily and acne-prone skin types. Oil-based cleansers are super gentle and they're effective at removing and breaking down all sorts of makeup, debris, and grime from your skin, which are factors that at the end they lead to congestion and breakouts. But when you use harsh cleansers, they're only gonna strip out your face from its natural oils, and so your skin is gonna try to overcompensate for that dryness by producing more oil, which at the end will lead to more breakouts. So now I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, how I take off all of this. And I always start with a cleansing balm or a face oil. In this case, I have this Pond's cleansing balm. It's been a long time that I've been using this. It's such a great and affordable product. It really melts in your makeup effortlessly. It emulsifies super well and it rinses off clean. It doesn't leave any sort of like heavy feeling on the skin or any foam. I'm going to start out by taking some of that balm and apply it on my dry skin, massaging it in circular motions, working it in to gently start breaking down all that makeup. Then I'm going to go over my lips and eyes to dissolve all that eyeliner and waterproof mascara. As you can see, it's really melting it all off and removing a full face of makeup. Now I'm gonna wet my hands and start emulsifying that cleansing balm. You can see it becomes some sort of like a milky lotion, and that's how it will efficiently remove all that grime of my face without leaving an oil film behind. My second step is going to be this gentle water soluble cleanser from Neutrogena from the Hydra Boost line. This contains hyaluronic acid and will gently remove any residues, soothe and moisturize my skin. So that's it with my double cleanse video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was like that, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course to subscribe to my channel for much more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!